Hello, people. So, for the past 20 minutes or whatever, I was trying to. This is, I don't know, yeah, like the third or fourth time I ever picked up such a thing. And I thought I will, put it on it and speak. And I'm trying to do it, and it is just getting, uh, you know, look at this, it's just moving off. So sometimes I feel that's what we buy this at a traffic signal so that the lady or the person who's selling it, they get to. That lady kept repeating, "Ma'am, amma, मैं खा लूँगी अम्मा मैं कुछ मेरे को," you know, she'll have her first meal of the day, so to speak. So it was, I don't know, that line really got to me. So which is, and she was saying if you have clothes, she apparently has a child the same age as my son. She has a small little daughter. So I was like, my god, that's the kind of like, it's in whatever which way we can help, we really should. But yeah, buying a product like this is like, what am I doing types. But anyway, this is already a 1 minute video, and I intend to keep making these videos because I like chatting. Simple. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.